The ingredients needed to make Matar Paratha are ajwain, that is carom seeds, saunf, that is fennel seeds, red chilies, salt, matar, that is green peas, whole wheat flour and water or buttermilk. Let us start by making the dough for a paratha. To a bowl, add 1½ cups of whole wheat flour and half teaspoon of salt. Lightly crush some ajwain, that is carom seeds, between your palms to release its fragrance. Add these seeds to the flour and mix it roughly. Now add half cup of buttermilk, little at a time, and mix well. Instead of buttermilk, you can use plain water, curd, or even milk. Note that you might need more or less buttermilk than what I am using. Use just enough water to knead the flour into a smooth and soft dough. Here my dough is ready. To check its softness, press a finger in the dough. If it goes in easily, then the dough is of right consistency. Cover the dough and let it rest for at least 15 minutes. Meanwhile, to a mixie add 1 or 2 red chilies, half teaspoon saunf, that is fennel seeds, and some salt to taste. Grind it for a few seconds till they are coarsely ground. Then add half cup of green peas to this and grind it till you get a coarse paste. No need to add water. Note that this much peas only makes around 4 parathas. I cooked the rest of the dough into fulkas. Now heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil to it. Add the ground green peas paste to the pan. Constantly stir fry it on medium to low flame for 10 minutes or till the paste doesn't stick to your hand. You can add more oil if the mixture is sticking to the pan too much. If you want to use less oil, then use a cast iron or non-stick pan to cook the mixture. You can see the mixture is not sticking to my hands anymore. Switch off the flame and add just a teaspoon of lemon juice to this mixture. Let the mixture cool down, then we can start making parathas. Start by dusting your work surface or rolling board with some flour. Transfer the dough to this dusted surface and knead it a few times. Now, divide the dough into 7 to 8 equal portions. Roll them between your palms to make smooth balls. Now, take one dough ball and flatten it lightly. Dust it with some flour and roll it out into a thick paratha as shown in the video. Place the green peas filling in the center, gather it together and then gently flatten it. Roll it out into a semi-thick paratha. Fill and roll out the rest of the dough ball similarly. To cook the parathas, I am using a cast iron tawa. Heat the tawa and place a rolled paratha on it. Fry it on high flame till both sides have tiny spots as shown in the video. Then apply some oil on both sides and fry it till completely cooked. Look at how it puffed up. Remove it in a plate and repeat the frying process with rest of the rolled parathas. Serve this protein-packed paratha with your favorite sabzi, some curd and pickle. Like and share this recipe with your loved ones. You can find the written recipe in the description box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy. Bye.